I bet you didn't know this. Welcome to the Enigma Explorer Paradise, the ultimate escape for your feed. After scrolling through thousands of hashtags and geotags, I researched for a couple of days, then found out this. The world is packed with spots so jaw-dropping, even your selfie will look like a masterpiece. Imagine a place where every corner is a new adventure, where the landscapes are so diverse that you can go from a sun-kissed beach to a misty mountain peak in just a few hours. This is not just a destination, it's a journey through some of the most breathtaking sceneries our planet has to offer. From the lush green forests that seem to whisper ancient secrets, to the vibrant cityscapes that come alive with neon lights as the sun sets. Enigma Explorer Paradise is a feast for the senses. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a waterfall, feeling the mist on your face, or diving into crystal clear waters to explore a colorful coral reef teeming with life. But it's not just about the natural beauty. The local culture here is as rich and diverse as the landscapes. Wander through bustling markets filled with the aroma of exotic spices, or explore ancient ruins that tell stories of civilizations long gone. Every moment here is an opportunity to discover something new and extraordinary. And let's not forget the sunsets. Oh, the sunsets. Watching the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, is an experience that will stay with you forever. Whether you're capturing it on your camera or simply soaking it in, it's a sight that never gets old. So pack your bags and get ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime. Enigma Explorer. Paradise is waiting for you, ready to fill your feed with memories that are as beautiful as they are unforgettable. Welcome to a world where every moment is a masterpiece and every experience is a story waiting to be told and shared. Think neon-lit Tokyo alleys, Marrakech's kaleidoscopic souks, and Buenos Aires' graffiti-draped streets. But trust me, we're just getting started. Whether you're chasing cityscapes that scream aesthetic or landscapes that'll make your followers hit save, this video is your golden ticket. Ready to turn your grid into a Wanderlust magnet? Let's dive in. First stop, cities that redefine vibes. Picture this. Tokyo's Shibuya crossing at golden hour, where skyscrapers glow like liquid gold, or Buenos Aires' La Boca neighborhood, where every pastel-painted wall begs for a boomerang. And Marrakech? Its Jamar El Fnar Square is a sensory overload of snake charmers, spice stalls, and lanterns that'll make your stories pop. The secret? Let the chaos guide your lens. Capture a local sipping mate in Buenos Aires or a geisha-inspired fashionista in Tokyo. Your grid isn't just about places, it's about moments that tell stories. Nature's masterpieces, breathtaking landscapes. Now let's swap concrete for cliffs. Imagine standing at the Grand Canyon's edge as the sun ignites its red rock layers, or wading through Iceland's Diamond Beach, where icebergs glitter like fallen stars. Pro tip: the Maldives isn't just for honeymooners. Its bioluminescent beaches turn midnight swims into galaxy shots. And here's a nugget I researched for a couple of days, then found out this. Iceland's glaciers look even better during a winter storm. Crazy, right? These landscapes aren't just pretty, they're mood boards for Mother Nature. So ditch the tripod occasionally. Let the wind mess your hair, the waves blur your shot. Perfection is overrated. Raw beauty isn't. Hidden gems off the beaten path wonders. Ready for places your followers won't have on their radar? Let's talk Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni, a salt flat so vast your mirror selfie becomes an infinite daydream. Or Italy's Cinque Terre, where candy-colored villages cling to cliffs like something out of a Wes Anderson film. And Cambodia's Bante Srey Temple. Its pink sandstone carvings glow at sunrise, making even iPhone pics look like Nat Geo spreads. I researched for a couple of days, then found out this. These spots thrive on quiet magic. No crowds, no rush, just you and the raw charm of a place untouched by influencer armies. Want to stand out? Skip the hotspots and chase whispers, not trends. Imagine walking along a deserted beach with golden sands where the only footprints are your own. The waves gently lap at the shore, creating a soothing symphony that calms your mind and soul. The sky above is a canvas of soft blues and whites, with clouds lazily drifting by. This is a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the moment. As you continue your journey, you come across a beach with palm trees swaying gently in the breeze, their leaves rustling like a whispered secret. In the distance, majestic mountains rise, adding a touch of grandeur to the serene landscape. The air is filled with the scent of salt and tropical blooms, a heady mix that invigorates your senses. And then, as the day draws to a close, you find yourself on a tropical beach at sunset. The sky is ablaze with hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a magical glow over the water. The sun dips below the horizon, leaving a trail of shimmering light in its wake. It's a moment of pure tranquility, a reminder of the simple yet profound beauty that exists in the world. These are the places where quiet magic thrives. They are not overrun by tourists or influencers seeking the perfect shot. Instead, they offer a sanctuary for those who seek solace and inspiration. So, if you want to stand out, skip the crowded hotspots and chase the whispers of these hidden gems. Embrace the quiet magic and let it transform your entire journey. Finally, the truth no one tells you. The perfect shot isn't about angles or filters. It's about the chill of Icelandic water on your toes, the scent of saffron in a Marrakech market, or the way Tokyo's neon hums after midnight. So put your phone down sometimes, talk to the Bolivian salt harvesters, dance with locals in La Boca. Then when you do snap that pic, it'll radiate the soul of the place. Oh, and I researched for a couple of days, then found out this. Golden hour isn't just for photos, it's for memories. Golden hour, that magical time just after sunrise and before sunset, bathes everything in a warm golden glow. It's a time when the world seems to slow down and every moment feels like a scene from a movie. Whether you're capturing the perfect shot or simply soaking in the beauty, these moments are etched into your memory forever. Imagine standing at a scenic viewpoint, the sun dipping below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The air is filled with a sense of calm and wonder. You're not just taking a photo, you're capturing a feeling, a memory that will last a lifetime. Think about the times you've spent with friends, laughing and taking selfies as the sun sets behind you. Those candid moments filled with joy and laughter are what make life so special. Or perhaps you've enjoyed a quiet evening with a telescope, gazing at the stars as the last light of day fades away. These are the moments that define us, that we look back on with a smile. Now go chase those moments. Tag us in your adventures, smash that like button, and let's make your feed the envy of the algorithm. Your Enigma Explorer. Paradise starts now, so next time you find yourself in the golden hour, take a moment to appreciate the beauty around you, capture it, cherish it, and share it with the world, because in the end, it's not just about the photos, it's about the memories we create and the stories we tell. Let's make every single moment count. Adventure awaits. What's your next grid goal? Subscribe for weekly inspo and comment your dream destination below.